Forget about KFC. Today, we are doing crispy Gari-coated chicken wings. Start by blending together some shallots, garlic, ginger, and olive oil. Rub the wings with Dijon mustard and add the blended seasoning. Add salt and rub it all in and leave in the fridge to marinate. Into a bowl, add some gari and sprinkle water to soften the grains. Add in cornstarch and mix well. Now season with paprika, chicken spices, mixed peppers, mixed herbs, and salt. Pour the mixture into the marinated chicken and rub in till well coated. Deep fry the chicken for about 15 minutes and blot out oil with a tissue paper. For the dip, put into a tray green pepper, garlic, shallots, spring onions, and bell pepper. Add some sun-dried tomatoes and roast in an air fryer. Put the roasted ingredients into a blender and blend till you get a smooth dip. Serve your chicken with a dip and some fries and enjoy. The rough.